Welcome to Homeschool for American Adults. Hi, I'm Donna Marie. Today you will learn how to write a business letter to a landlord. You will need writing paper and a writing tool to complete this lesson. At the end of the lesson, exercise 1 will test your understanding of everything you've learned. An example business letter is provided at the end of exercise 1. The business letter outline. Here are 10 steps for outlining a business letter. The outline must include step 1, your contact information. Step 2, the date. Step 3, the person you're writing to information. Step 4, the greeting. Step 5, the introduction. Step 6, if you have a question or need more information, you would write it here. Step 7, the conclusion. Step 8, the closing. Step 9, the signature. Step 10, the apartment number. Step 1, your contact information. You must include your name, your address, the city, state, the zip code, your phone number, and your email. For example, Mr. John Doe lives at 123 Maple Street in the city Townsville in the state Texas, and his zip code is 12345. He included his telephone number and his email. Step 2, the date. Write the date below your contact information. For example, March 22nd, 2005. Step 3, the person you're writing to information. You must include the name of the person's title, the person's company name, the address, which includes the city, state, and the zip code. For example, Miss Jane Smith, she's the landlord, so her title is under her name. Her company is called Smith Properties. The address is 258 Park Avenue. It's in Townsville, Texas, and the zip code is 12345. Step 4, the greeting. If your landlord is a male, you would say Dear Mr. and put the landlord's name. If your landlord is a female, you would put Dear Miss and her name. Step 5, the body of the letter begins with the introduction. That's where you will state the purpose of your letter and provide more information about why you're writing the letter. For example, I am writing to ask if I can renew my lease for another year. My family has enjoyed living in the apartment. We would like to stay here for another year. Step 6, the body of the letter continues. If you have a question or need more information, write it here. Since this is different from step 5, start a new paragraph when you add this part. For example, also, I would like to know if the rent will stay the same or if it will change. Step 7, the conclusion. This is where you say thank you and tell the landlord you are waiting for an answer. For example, thank you for your time. I look forward to hearing from you. Since this is different from step 6, start a new paragraph when you add this part. Step 8, the closing. End with a friendly closing. For example, you may write sincerely or best regards. Step 9, the signature. Sign your name. For example, Mr. John Doe. Step 10. Write the apartment number under your signature. For example, apartment 3F. Here is the business letter steps with the examples. These answers will be used to complete the letter. Now, to test your understanding of everything you've learned, please complete exercise 1. Exercise 1. Write a business letter. The outline should include steps 1 through 10. Follow the examples given in each step. Then, write your business letter. After you have finished, check your work against the sample business letter. Here are 10 steps for outlining a business letter. The outline must include Step 1, your contact information, which should include your name, address, city, state, zip code, phone number, and email. Step 2, the date. Write the date below your contact information. Step 3, the person you're writing to, information. It should include that person's name, their title, the company name, the address, the city, the state, and the zip code. Step 4, the greeting. If you're writing to a male, you would say Dear Mr. and put the person's name. If you're writing to a female, you will put Dear Miss and put the person's name. Step 5, the body of the letter. You begin with the introduction. In the introduction, you will state the purpose of your letter and provide more information about why you're writing the letter. Step 6, the body of the letter continues. If you have a question or need more information, you would put it here. Step 7, the conclusion. Say thank you and mention that you're waiting for a response. Step 8, the closing. End with a friendly closing such as sincerely or best regards. Step 9, sign your name. Step 10, write the apartment number under your name. Please pause the video as needed to work at your own pace. Here is a sample business letter that you may use to check your work. Congratulations, you made it to the end of lesson 15. Now I have an assignment for you to do. Your assignment is to take a few minutes every day and review the lesson that you have learned. If you find it difficult to do any part of this lesson, remember you can always rewind this video and practice again. Never move on to the next lesson until you're able to complete this lesson smoothly. When you can complete this lesson with ease, you are ready to move on to the next lesson. See you there. Now, we have reached the end of this session, but before you go, please, if you've experienced the joy of learning this interactive lesson, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you will know when a new lesson is uploaded. Thank you for joining me today. It was a pleasure teaching you. Bye-bye.